Let me ask you a very honest question. Have you ever wondered how people make money trading Forex while others lose everything and say Forex is a scam? Or maybe you have seen profit screenshots online and they'll ask yourself, is this real or they are just lying? Here is the truth. Forex trading is not easy, yes. Forex trading is not get rich quick. But Forex trading is real, legal, and life-changing when done the right way. In this video today, I will break Forex down from zero, even if you have never traded before in your life. By the end of this video, you will understand what Forex trading really is, how beginners should start safely, why some people succeed and why most failed, and how you can avoid expensive mistakes. Before we continue, why are you watching this video? Is it for financial freedom, extra income, or full independence? Drop your reasons in the comment section right now. So let's get it started. First, what is Forex trading? Forex means foreign exchange. Forex trading is simply buying one currency and selling another to make profit from price movement. Let me simplify it. When you travel from Nigeria to the United States, you exchange your naira for the American dollars, right? That is exchange in Forex. The difference is traders don't travel. Traders profit from price changes. For example, you buy dollar against naira today, dollar rises, you sell it later, the difference is your profit. Forex is the largest financial market in the world. Over $7 trillion is traded daily. Yes, you heard me right. Over $7 trillion is traded daily. Banks trade Forex, government trade Forex, institutions trade Forex, and yes, retail traders like you and I, we trade Forex too. Quick question. Before today, did you think Forex was a scam or gambling? Comment yes or no. Let's continue. How does Forex works? How does it works? Forex is traded in pairs. For example, we have Euro slash USD, we have GBP slash USD, we have USD slash JPY, and lots more. When you see Euro slash USD, you are asking one question. And that question is, will the euro rise or fall against the dollar? If you think price will go up, you buy. And if you think price will go down, you sell. That is it. No magic, no guessing, no gambling. Forex is about probability, risk management, discipline, and psychology. And that brings us to a big problem. There are some wrong assumptions about Forex trading, which I will list them in this video. Many beginners believe lies. They believe lies. Let's clear those lies. Lie number one is Forex will make you rich overnight. Is that true? Forex rewards skills, not desperation. Lie number two, I need huge money to trade Forex, to start Forex. Is that true? You don't need big money. You need knowledge first, then capital second. Lie number three is losing trade means Forex doesn't work. Is that real? Is that the truth? No. Even professional traders lose trades. Yes. Lie number four, signals will make me profitable. The truth is, without risk management, signals can destroy your trading account. So which of these lies did you believe? Comment the number down below. Let's proceed forward. Why most people fail in Forex? Why do most people trade Forex fail? This is hard to hear.
This is a quick update for those who want to start their forex trading career. Maybe you are interested to learn forex, crypto, stocks, commodity, or index markets. You can contact ChartsEmpire on this line 09060201255. Non-residents of Nigeria can put the international code +2349060201255. Contact us on WhatsApp, Telegram, or through direct call. We will never contact you for investment, for AI, for both. So anywhere or whosoever dish out source information is not by ChartsEmpire, please report those pages, and you can as well do us a favor by forwarding those links to us. Thank you.
Most traders fail not because Forex is bad, but they fail because of bad behaviors like over trading, chasing losses, trading under emotions, they are greedy, they lack patience, and lots more. Forex is 80% psychology and 20% strategy. If you can't control yourself, you can't control your results. That is the reality. So why do some traders succeed? Some succeed. Yes. Successful traders think differently. They focus on consistency, not jackpots. They protect capital before profit. They follow rules. They accept losses as part of the business. And most importantly, they don't trade alone. Yes. Now, one of the factors that can help you to be successful in trading, and this is also about broker, because your broker is your connection to the market. They can either make you successful or make you fail. A bad broker can manipulate prices, delay withdrawals, and frustrate you. A good broker offers fast execution, clear spread, and smooth withdrawals. Never joke with a broker. Check the links I left in the description of this video to check our recommended brokers. Now, what is the importance of community in forex trading? Forex is hard. Doing it alone is harder. At ChartsEmpire Trading Academy community, beginners learn forex from scratch. They learn market structure, risk management, and disciplinary rules. You trade with clarity, not confusion. Let me ask you this question. Would you rather learn forex by trial and error or learn with a serious community? Comment down below your view about that. All right. Now, how should you as a beginner start your journey in the forex trading market? Here's the correct order. Learn the basics properly. Understand risk management. Practice on demo accounts. Choose a reliable broker. Join a trading community. Start small. Stay consistent. Forex is a marathon and not a sprint. You need to understand that. So, if this video helped you, then do three things right now. Follow ChartsEmpire on all social media: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Subscribe to our channels and like, share this video. Now, tell me in the comment section, what part of this forex confuses you the most? Are you a complete beginner or already trading? I read comments personally. So, welcome to the journey. See you in the next video or see you in the next class. Peace.